In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to type in a cycle in Canva. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification for more videos like this. If this is your first time coming across this software, Canva, kindly hit the button above to watch my video where I talked about how you can navigate this platform called Canva and how to use the app called Canva. I've also dropped a link in the description of this video on how you can go about it. So first thing you want to do is to log on to your Canva application, or if you're using the desktop, you can log in to your desktop, your Canva for desktop, or you can use your browser and go to canva.com for those that will be using the browser to log in. So first thing you want to do is to create a design. Click on create a design. You allow it to load. You create a design, then you choose any size that you'd want for your design. So for the purpose of this tutorial, for the purpose of this video, we're going to be choosing 1080 by 1080, which is the normal square size for Instagram and other platforms. So once you're done inputting this, then you click on create a new design. Alright, so the next thing you want to do is head over to the element page. So you tap on element, then you search for cycle. So you just search for cycle. Alright, so we have our cycle here. So we already have our cycle here. So the next thing you'd want to do is bringing in your text, because remember, I want to type text in a cycle form. So we go to text. We go to text. Now we can add our text. So let's say for the purpose of this tutorial, let's say we want to write Adamu Sani. Okay, so let's do Adamu Sani. Now we have our text here already. So the next thing we want to do is to bend the text to be in a cycle form. So to do that, you go to effect. So once you go to effect, you scroll down, you see where they wrote curve in the shape effect. You see where they wrote curve, so you click on curve. So once you click on curve, automatically it's shaping to a cycle. So from this place now, from this place that looks like a plus and minus button, you now be using it to adjust your text to the way you want it on the cycle. So we have like this, so you can't bring it over. So we have, depending on what you want to do though, you can bring it over. That's Adamu Sani, right? You can't decide to do later spacing a bit so that it fills the cycle a bit. So we have Adamu Sani here. We have Adamu Sani. Now the next thing you'd want to do is you'd want to bring another text again. So you can add another text again. Go into text. You can add another text. Let's say Nigeria, or let's say enterprise, right? Now this thing, we also want to make this enterprise to be in a cycle form, right? So to do that, like I said, you go to effect. Once you head over to the effect column, you scroll down to where you see shape and to where you see curve, so tap on it. Now the enterprise is not facing the other way, it's supposed to be the other way. So to do that, you drag this thing to the other side. You drag it to the left. You can see it's now aligned. So you can see the enterprise is now aligned. So to just make the enterprise to fill the cycle shape, we go to later spacing and we space it a bit. You can see space it a bit. So you can see we now have Adamu Sani enterprise. Now to make this thing much more better, we can add another cycle again at the end. So go to element. So go to element and search for cycle. So we can just search for cycle. Search for cycle. So we are searching for cycle again. So you see different cycles, but I prefer to use this one that is out here. This one that is in graphics, right? So we can use this one. So you can see we have something like this. Hola. So we have something like this. So that's how to put text in cycle on Canva. And to further beautify your design, you can add something in the middle of the cycle. So let's say Adamu is into Adamu Enterprise is into travels. It's into travel. So you can add a travel icon in between that cycle just to make it much more better. So we have once you go to graphics, you see different graphics that talks about travels. So we're just trying to make the design much more colorful. So we can use this one that has passport. I love it. So we can use this one, can resize it, resize and drag to this place. You can see, make it big a bit. Yes. So you can see this is looking colorful. So like I said, this is how to put text in a cycle. So if you want to download this, like I always say, to download what you've done, you go to share. Once you go to share, you click on download and you leave it on this PNG because this is the highest form. Then click on download. So it will now generate the file for download. So you can see it's downloading and you can see our file has been downloaded. So let's look at what we download. Let's look at what we've edited. So we have something like this. So this is it. You can see it's looking very, very colorful. So thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video to someone that may need these tutorials. Bye.